Welcome, flag experts! Today we are going on a global adventure to test your knowledge of world flags. Can you make it all the way to the impossible level? Which country's flag features a red maple leaf in the center? Is it A, B, or C? It's B, Canada. It features a famous red maple leaf. How many stars are on the national flag of the United States? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, 50. 1 star for each of the states. Which country is famous for its green, white, and red tricolor flag? Is it A, B, or C? It's C, Italy. These 3 vertical bands are iconic. What simple shape is in the middle of Japan's flag? Is it A, B, or C? It's B, a red circle. It represents the rising sun. Which country's flag is famous for not being a rectangle? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Nepal. It is made of 2 stacked triangles. What mythical creature is featured on the flag of Wales? Is it A, B, or C? It's a red dragon, a legendary symbol of Wales. Which color is not found on the national flag of France? Is it A, B, or C? It's C, yellow. The French flag is blue, white, and red. Which country's flag features a yellow sun with 8 rays and 3 gold stars? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Philippines. The rays represent the original provinces. The flag of Brazil contains a blue globe with a Portuguese motto that translates to what? Is it A, B, or C? It's B, order and progress. It is written in Portuguese. What unique tool is crossed with a machete on the flag of Angola? Is it A, B, or C? It's B, a cogwheel. It represents industrial workers. Which country's flag features a giant yellow eagle carrying a snake on a cactus? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Mexico. It comes from an ancient Aztec legend. What is the name of the British flag, which combines the crosses of 3 patron saints? Is it A, B, or C? It's B, the Union Jack. It combines 3 different crosses. Which country's flag has a big yellow star in the middle of a red background? Is it A, B, or C? It's B, Vietnam. The star represents 5 social classes. What design is at the center of India's national flag? Is it A, B, or C? It's C, a 24-spoke wheel. It represents the laws of Dharma. Which country's flag is a perfect square, just like the flag of Vatican City? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Switzerland. It has a unique square shape. What is the only country whose flag features a map of the country itself? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Cyprus. It shows the copper-colored island shape. Which Central American country features 3 volcanoes on its flag's coat of arms? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Costa Rica. They represent 3 mountain ranges. What was the main color of the flag of Libya from 1977 to 2011, which was just 1 solid color? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, green. It was completely plain green. Which country's flag features a historic building, specifically the Temple of Angkor Wat? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Cambodia. It features their famous ancient temple. The flag of Mozambique is the only one in the world to feature a modern weapon. What is it? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, an AK-47 rifle. It is crossed with a hoe. Which European country has a flag featuring a black, double-headed eagle on a red background? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Albania. This symbol dates back to medieval times. Which country's flag has a black trident head on it, representing the god of the sea? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Barbados. The broken trident symbolizes independence. Which flag is the oldest continuously used national flag in the world, dating back to 1219? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Denmark, known as the historic Dannebrog flag. Which country's flag is almost identical to Monaco's, but is slightly wider? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Indonesia. It shares Monaco's red and white colors. What unique bird is featured on the flag of Dominica? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, a Cicero parrot. This purple parrot is very rare. Which country has the Holy Bible featured open on its national flag's coat of arms? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Dominican Republic, the only flag with an open Bible. Which country's flag has a yellow stripe that is double the width of its blue and red stripes? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Colombia. The top yellow stripe is extra wide. What constellation is prominently featured on the flags of Australia, New Zealand, Samoa, and Brazil? Is it A, B, or C? It's A, Southern Cross. This constellation is famous down under. How many flags did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.